Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today, I hope you are good and today we will solve another quiz which is related to also a PAMDAS and BODMAS method, and here we have some basic operation like multiplication and division and addition. So we will solve this quiz and see like which answer is correct. We have four options in the this quiz and 33, 9 and 27. Let's see what will the answer of this quiz and this expression. And before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. And now let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to revise like PAMDAS and BODMAS rule. Like what is the PAMDAS? Basically, if you see on the screen, you have the P for parenthesis. And if you know the BODMAS also B for bracket. So we have the round bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket in this term. And then now after that, we have the E for exponent and O for order. It means like you can have any power on any variable like x raised to power 2, 3, 4, and so on. Or you have any number, any root of a number. And in after that, we have the M for multiplication and D for division. They both have same precedence if you are using the PAMDAS and BODMAS rule, but it depends if you are going to left to right, which is coming first. So if you have the division first, so you can solve division first. And if you have the multiplication in the expression, so you can solve the multiplication first. So doesn't matter which is coming first, you can solve because both have same precedence. And after that, we have the addition and subtraction. So they have also similar precedence, like if you are going to left to right, if you have the subtraction first, so you can solve first subtraction, and after that you can solve the addition, or if you have the addition first, so you can solve addition first and subtraction in the last you can subtract that number, those number. So now let's start the topic using the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. Both are similar one, but depending on the region where they apply. So now we have PAMDAS and BODMAS rule. So here we have few things in the expression, like you can see this of word which is coming in this expression. So we have to know that the of meaning is basically is multiplication. We have of means multiplication of two numbers. So now we will replace of from multiplication sign, like 3 plus 3. Now we have the multiplication sign, so we will write multiplication, and after that 3 divided by 3. Again, we have the multiplication sign here, and now we will write 3 multiplied by 3, right? So now we can give the reference of implies that multiplication. Now you can solve easily. So now we will go left to right, and see the according to BODMAS rule, or you can say PAMDAS rule, we have to solve this part first. This one, right? This one we have to solve first, because as the PAMDAS, we have the multiplication and division have same precedence. Here we have the multiplication sign, so we will solve first multiplication. So now 3 plus 3 is a 9, right? Now we will have 9 here divided by 3 multiply 3 multiplied by 3. Again, we will give the reference here multiply. We did multiplication here, right? Now, again, we will move left to right and we will see which one will be solved. So, according to PEMDAS and BODMAS method, we will solve this one. 3 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. We will write 3. Again, we will multiply this 3 multiply by 3. So now we did division. Again, we will go left to right and we will see like which one we will solve first. So this one we can solve now. So 3 plus 3, 3 is 9. 9. And again, we will multiply 3, 3. So we will give the reference is multiplication. And now again, we will go left to right and see which one will be solved. So this part we will solve because as per BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, we have to multiply or divide any number before addition and subtraction. So this one we will multiply again. So we will say like 3 1 is 3 plus 9 3 is 27, right? And we will give the reference here multiplication. Now we will solve this part and the 3 plus 27 is 30. So answer of this question is, we did addition here, the 30. So if you see in the answer list, so you have the first answer is A is correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand how you can multiply or divide or solve this expression using the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. We will meet in next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.